All right, hello garden parents. This week we're rolling out our very first pre-recorded lessons, and they are very short, and each of them has a specific task, and the theme for all of them is laundry. The goal here is to engage with things that need to be done anyway. There are some of you, and we were able to connect, that are doing so much right now. The idea of suddenly creating a classroom at home just isn't reasonable, but there are lots of things that we want to support your child being involved in doing, and it's something that needs to be done anyway, like laundry. So the videos are divided into two categories. So there's the towels and washcloths, and then there's the clothes. And they go in a sequence that is essentially from easiest to hardest. So starting with folding a cloth to folding a towel, and then matching socks, folding pants, and folding shirts. And the first step is always sorting. My recommendation is, rather than sitting down with an entire load of laundry, whichever one is relevant to what you have going on, find a little basket, a little box, something that's for the laundry that they're going to do, and just set aside a doable number. And you know your child best. If they've done it before, it can be a little bit more. If it's their first time, then maybe just start with a couple of washcloths in a little basket. I would definitely encourage you to not say, "You're gonna help me today." Make it so that they can feel ownership over it. This is gonna be your basket, and this is laundry to go with your lessons. One of the great advantages that we hope these videos provide is that it's not coming from you. Trust me, I know we tried to do the first round of videos with August helping me. It's a little different when mom asks you. So we're hoping that if Miss Franny and Miss Rahele are asking you to do something for circle time or to show us, that it'll feel a little different for them. It'll sort of trigger that autonomy and independence in them, and they will have a different kind of motivation than helping mom or dad with the laundry. So that's our goal. I hope you enjoy the videos, and again, this is all new for us in every way. So we will be checking in for feedback, and there may be changes for the next week, but good luck. I hope it goes well.